MBA-Exchange.com is a comprehensive careers platform dedicated to business professionals seeking mid-career to senior management roles. Our extensive database offers filtered MBA-level job listings directly from employers, both domestic and international, spanning multiple countries and languages. In addition to standard search criteria, you are also able to search by job level, title, industry, language skill, and use multiple tags such as venture-backed, ESG, E-verified, and many more. You can also choose the strictness of your search through our scope of the search option. Lastly, with our job alerts, you can receive weekly or daily emails with new jobs matching your preferences. Just fill out your search criteria like normal, then click on Create a Job Alert, name your alert, and click Save. You can manage all your job alerts through your candidate dashboard under the Me tab. Once you perform your search, you will see the number of matching jobs on the left. For certain countries, we highlight jobs from employers who are known to sponsor international candidates. Clicking on the job title, company logo, or company name will take you to the full job posting. You can also add any job to your favorites by clicking the star in the top right corner of the job listing. On the full job posting page, in addition, all the pertinent details about the job, like the description and requirements. We also highlight some of the key facts about the employer in column on the right, and if you click on the company logo, it will redirect you to its profile. From the job page, you can also apply to the job or save it to your favorites for later.